two.
Hey, if we get both of them.
Not focus on me and not in the
I've
shot.
got no turntables and two microphones. Where's that? Ashland.
I have to say, on camera, this has been a godsend. A chase send.
Oh, that. Oh. More to come. More to come.
Mordecai?
Mordecai. I hate you kids. Get back in the cornfield.
So we get the microphones working.
Test.
We can start the show.
Yeah. So that's the thing.
So which is that? Is that the laptop or the...
Not the laptop. This is the animated I wanted us to watch, but to get the context, you need to watch this.
Okay.
So, action.
Beverage. Customization seminar.
So I don't know what the issue is here. I don't know why you need to talk about it for 3 days. Clean it up.
Yeah, Chase.
Watch. I told you I've been consulting the Burger King for a long time.
Take a shot.
That introduced this presentation for one. I went out for crying out loud. We've been on all the members of the restaurant. I said, sir, do you know we spent $42 million? Yeah. Do you know that people are pouring through that damn restaurant? I said, yeah. You know that 70% of the time the Whopper served cold? Yeah. Tell the crew to push the Whopper button.
Come on, people.
Tell the crew to push the Whopper button. You got a Whopper button, you gotta push it or else your Whopper's cold.
This is Don Beverage.
This is Don Beverage.
You gotta push the Whopper.
And that's the bottom line, because Don Beverage said so.
Put that in a t-shirt, we'll sell it with the Whoppers.
You gotta be proactively going. By the way, I'll never forget you.
You got it.
Almost forgot it.
He rebooted.
Don Beverage, world's first super android. 90% of all their printed literature dealing with what they perceive to be decay or a deficiency of matter. No company has ever gone.
DKEY minus the sum value of X multiplied by FUBU. Remember that, FUBU.
Well, Don Beverage sure does know how to throw a customization seminar. How many times have I said that before?
Planning for this highly organized, nice spectacular.
We're looking for sponsors.
Yeah. It should be hosted by Don Beverage. Sanitary facilities.
Sanitary facility.
Oh, it keeps going.
Yes. That's right. Snap out the letters, people.
Take that home with you. Get your name on a toilet. Get your name on some Band-Aids.
Don Beverage, 5198, customerization seminar. Is that a word? That must be a word.
It is now.
He's a man of confidence, said Don Beverage. He's a fucking lunatic. He's a confidence man, is what you're saying? He's a confidence man. Yes. But Rich, tell us about Don Beverage.
Don Beverage is, I'm not sure if he's a con man or a weirdo. He's both.
Short for confident.
He's some kind of corporate shill guy.
Shill.
Who does nonsense motivational speaking for like low-level
No nonsense.
managers for coffee franchises.
Yes, he's very passionate.
You go back to that operation and execute and implement and apply Q, S, C, and F. You own the damn market. Quality, service, neighborliness and friendliness. That is the business.
Put it on the back of the car tonight.
Friendly, you stupid motherfucker! Tell those assholes to clean it up! Push the Whopper button!
Oh, how many times are we gonna be saying to each other for the next couple of weeks?
He looks so
When we're famous, it's gonna be all due to Don Beveridge.
But it feels like he's doing the motivational speaking in an environment where he should be
I'd
giving
like to thank Don
advice about
Beveridge.
how to run your business and be successful. It's like a weird contradiction.
You cannot sustain a competitive advantage in product or price. And the businesses that fail, and the people that
Is this like a doctor gonna like walk in front of a screen and start talking about the symptoms of some kind of cognitive disorder? I mean, these are the signs.
benefit in some new bagel and some new ice cream.
Don Beverage's disease.
We're all gonna have them by the end of the day.
Or what if this is like a social experiment?
DVD, baby!
To watch this seminar, and then they just have this guy rant about nonsense to see how long it takes them to figure it out.
But for the past 30 years, no one has figured it out. Taking his advice, so they're just making notes still.
Somehow become the world's leading business experts.
Ask Burger King about their Whopper button.
What's he
Note to self.
Yeah, fuck yeah, bagels!
Why does he keep talking about bagels?
I looked at Don Beveridge, and he's not just a fraud. He's written
Just a fraud. He's more.
business. He was I don't know if he was a CEO or he worked with many businesses with them. So
Did he have anything to do with any companies involving bagels?
We got bagels! Wow!
Wow.
That's shocking. Loves bagels. That man loves the
You know who else was cool before problems? John DeLorean.
Yeah. Tell the crew to push the
Whopper button.
bagel is a word for widget, I think.
Get to the bagels. Anticipating bagels. You're ready to go. I told him we have bagels. I'm gonna give you bagels. Bagels!
Bagels!
He might know something about business, but it certainly isn't communicated in this video.
Well, I think it's a fraud in the sense that
He owned a failed Dunkin' Donuts franchise.
Bagels!
Schmeggles bagels.
Because he doesn't seem to stay on any consistent train of thought that, oh yes,
Schmeggles.
I get what you're saying.
He has 5 minutes of material that he's selling to these people in an hour-long lecture, basically. He's conning these poor saps.
This could have been distilled into a fucking one-page pamphlet.
It was
We
quadruple.
should note it takes place in the Casino Hotel in Atlantic City,
With
New
diamonds.
Jersey.
We all have next to his head as he's babbling on about nonsense. Showboat. It's beautiful.
As he is
Stolen out of a temple by Henry Jones Jr. We named the dog Indiana.
Not just you. You're the boss. You're responsible. You're the father to your employees, and you can do it because your product doesn't matter. You gotta have a good product, but your product doesn't matter. As long as you're clean, well organized, be a father to your people. Your product doesn't matter. So it's got to be a good product.
That's why you hired him.
Participative management. The problem is a deficiency of execution. Application, execution, and I'm having one hell of a time driving that home to the owners of these stores.
Bagels! You ever going to Washington, Minnesota, St. Louis?
That's an
The third
important
identity is also you, Miss Clark Kent. Tell me something. In what city does Clark Kent live? Come on.
Monstrosity.
Ladies and gentlemen, one day the bankers are banking and the tellers are telling, and 200 crooks are running into the bank. They go bang, bang, bang. Teller dies underneath the table. President dies underneath the table. Crooks go bang, bang, bang. As soon as the crooks leave with the money.
Dies or dies?
He picks up the telephone. Naturally, living in Metropolis. Who does he call?
Ghostbusters.
Why would you call Clark Kent?
Over here, mild mannered reporter Clark Kent. Picks up the telephone, says Clark Kent here. He says, they're out of the bank. He says, I'll see if I can get a hold of Superman. He dashes into the telephone. He got this big red S.
He's not a comic book expert.
It stands for hope on my planet.
Big red S, and he's got them silly little blue tights.
Don't start with age.
Now you know Superman sits in front of the open window, flies out the window, sees the crooks running down the street, runs the crooks, goes bang, 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 knocks the hell out of the crooks, puts him in jail. Tell me something. What are the police in that town doing?
Thanking Superman.
They're on the corner. We've got bagels! Woo!
Speak cream. They're eating donuts.
They're eating bagels.
You understand? Superman destroyed businesses. Superman destroyed people. This is the man.
An alien son of a gun.
They're stealing our germs.
Why are they calling Clark Kent
A mild-mannered
news reporter about this
They
problem?
can't get past this.
I really thought the analogy was going to be that when you're the employee, you have to have like two distinct personalities that you put on for different situations. Right? Like you can't be the Clark Kent when you're doing the discipline.
Go to
You
work,
gotta be
I do the
Superman
job,
when
and I
you're
leave, I'm
disciplined.
just
But
disheartened.
other times you gotta be the Clark Kent, the mild-mannered. But no, he just wants some rambling thing about how Superman was making lazy cops.
Cops are eating the donuts.
They're busy eating the donuts.
He had many acronyms, many analogies, many metaphors, and none of it made any sense.
I said, why? He said, we spent $42 million. The people are pouring through the damn restaurant, and we found out we got 3 major problems. I said, my God, what are they? He said, number one, 70% of the time the Whopper is served cold. I said, you are? Yeah.
Oh,
He said,
fine.
I'm going to bring in all the members of the managers of the
There's too many people. Don't cook the Whoppers. Don't like the Whopper button.
But boss, you said to keep the store clean. I've been keeping the store clean. No one's.
Sometimes you gotta be a policeman.
Sometimes you gotta be Superman.
What's it mean? Execute. Take the Whoppers out of the freezer. Execute.
Rule number 1 in business. How does the customer see you? And my friend, if the answer is ice cream,
I love this man.
It's like a character of The Simpsons or something.
Or The Office, or Parks and Rec, or some kind of TV show like that. It's Don Beveridge.
But the funny part is, whatever that character would be on any of those shows would be Don Beveridge.
That's true.
This is him. He's real.
He's beautiful. And he knows all the motions. He knows what a motivational speaker is supposed to sound like.
how does the customer see you? My friend, when those people come through that damn door,
Live on Facebook.
and when you market,
Every person there went there just to hit the tables and slot machines after it was over. We're leaving. Thanks, Don. Rolling bones.
Rolling bones.
They lost all their money for their small business.
Here's the deed to my Dunkin' Donuts.
That was another strategy because now they have to work much harder to earn it back.
Don looks over their shoulder. Bad business investment.
we got bagels. Wow! Tell the crew to push the Whopper button.
Smithers!
So, with that in mind,